In a TCP/IP network, a port is a logical construct that serves as the endpoint of a connection within the OS of the end system. Each TCP/IP connection has an associated source and destination port specified in the header. Each port is represented as a number from 0 to 65,535, or 16 bits. The Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, or IANA, separates port numbers into 3 blocks: well-known, registered, and dynamic. An example of a well-known port is TCP port 80, which is assigned for use by Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP. Well-known User Datagram Protocol, or UDP ports include port 53 for use by DNS and port 22 for use by Secure Shell, or SSH. At communication endpoints in an IP network, sockets make it possible to deliver data packets to the appropriate services or application processes. Each socket has an address that identifies a protocol, an IP address, and a port number, so each socket is bound to a particular port. Networking protocols provide the rules and standards for communication between network devices. For example, they allow devices to identify one another and connect, and specify how data is sent and received between the devices. TCP/IP is a suite of networking protocols that enables communication on networks. In a TCP/IP network, a connection-oriented protocol has to establish a logical connection before a host can send data. Once the data has been transmitted, the connection is released. A connectionless protocol doesn't need a logical connection to transmit data. Information is transmitted from a source to a destination without checking whether the destination host is prepared to receive the information. At the Internet layer of the TCP/IP suite, IP is a connectionless protocol that's responsible for addressing and relaying data packets. IP acts like an intermediary between higher protocol layers and a network. It doesn't guarantee packet delivery or check for lost or corrupted packets. A TCP/IP system uses one of 2 protocols, TCP and UDP, which work together with IP to transfer data. Many more networking protocols have been developed, and each one addresses a specific issue and fulfills a particular role. Networking protocols include File Transfer Protocol, or FTP, Trivial File Transfer Protocol, or TFTP, Post Office Protocol version 3, or POP3,